My name is Wajdi Ben Rajab. I have a PhD in management and I am an associate professor of management and entrepreneurship. I teach with universities here in Tunisia but also in Europe. And I am an entrepreneur on the side. I embarked on entrepreneurship in 2010. I have co-founded startups operating in the fields of e-learning, online market research and online marketplaces of freight and transport. The characteristic of the OCI Lab mentorship experience is that I worked with several people in the MENA region, coming from different cultural and educational background, working on different ideas, and actually I have enjoyed the experience working with them, and especially sharing with them my knowledge and experience, because I know what they are going through. I believe the difference between OCI Lab and offline incubators is at the first place the fact that you are working with people. When you work in an offline incubator with aspiring entrepreneurs, they are usually coming from the same country and even from the same region. Here we are working with people coming from Morocco, from Tunisia, from Egypt, from Lebanon, from Jordan. And it's very, very interesting to contribute to their entrepreneurship journey, even though you are working with them in a remote way. The second point is that the system of the labs and the workshops is very, very interesting, and the topics of the labs chosen by OCI Lab team are very, very relevant, because they are belonging to what we call the disciplined entrepreneurship process and the lean startup process, which will help the entrepreneurs to get higher chances of success when it comes to start their businesses and trying to get their first customers. The second lab was about the lean canvas and how to plan your project. And today, when we are talking about business planning, when you are an entrepreneur, the first thing that comes to your mind and to the mind of many people is preparing a business plan. And it's something outdated and obsolete. Why? Because you don't have the evidence if what you are planning is right or wrong, because you didn't start to sell your product and to have the customer experience. And this is why today we are not talking about business plans anymore, because it's time consuming, it's something that is built on guesses, okay? And today we are talking about lively planning, which is preparing a business model canvas or a lean canvas. And we have chosen to focus on the lean canvas because it's an adapted version of the business model canvas that would help you to describe the customer problem and the customer solution. And here you have a canvas that is consisting of 9 blocks, in which you have to fill the information and to add the information starting by the customer segment, the problem of the customer, the solution that you are bringing to your customer, the value proposition, and the unfair advantage. You have also to add key metrics in order to monitor the success and the progress of your project, and you have also to think about the feasibility of your project, especially with regard to your revenue streams, how you are going to earn money, but also in the other hand, what are the costs and how we are going to spend the money, okay? And here the idea is to prepare the lean canvas that consists of many hypotheses and guesses in order to test it later on when it comes to start the customers' interviews. The second lab was about preparing a lean canvas and filling it with the information with regard to your project, okay? And in the next lab that we'll go together, the offline task will be about preparing customer interviews questions and also performing a couple of interviews and drawing the main insights and looking to the lean canvas and trying to adjust it, taking into account the feedback that you got from your customers.